Hi,
Hi,
Ali.
Ali.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends.
Happy birthday, Ali. Sana maging good health. Thank you.
Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the
Hello,
weather.
Ali. Happy 7th birthday. We love you.
Love you so much.
We wish you all the best.
Love you, baby. We love you so much, Ali. Baby, I love you. Yes.
Baby. Baby.
Happy birthday, Ali, darling. I love you so much. Thank you, God, for your life because you know, Mommy and Daddy loves you so much.
Happy birthday,
Ali.
I just wanna dive into the blue. It doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right.
Mag-aral kang mabuti and syempre sa 18th birthday mo magkikita ulit tayo. Happy birthday!
We wish you all the best.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life.
Oh, happy birthday, Ali.
Happy birthday, Ali. God bless.
Pabait.
Happy birthday, Ale. God bless.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh,
Happy birthday, Ali. I love you. Magpakabait. Ang wish ko sa'yo, magpakabait ka sa daddy at mami mo.
happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time.
I wish you good health and everything in this world.
Parang pangit yan. Ulit.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times.
Hi, Ali. Happy 7th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo mag-aral ka ng maayos. Yun lang.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh.
Ali, sana happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mabait at saka masunurin sa aming mga magulang. Mag-aral kang mabuti, yun lang.
Okay, Nak. Ito, talagang sinikap namin ni Mami. Ito, mabigyan ka ng party. So, enjoy your day. At saka enjoy ka lang, Nak. Ito yung gusto mo. May swimming, makita mo yung friends and families mo. So, this is our time.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life.
Stay as you are lang, anak. Alam ko naman, responsible ka at saka maging mabait pa rin at may respect lang sa mga matanda at God faith. Happy birthday.
So ayun, yun nga, sinikap namin ng daddy niya na mabigyan siya ng gantong party para magkasama-sama din yung family since from Quezon City lumipat kami dito. So ito yung chance na magkakasama-sama kami.